is Tuesday the 18th of September 2018. It's the last day of conference, but sadly I'm missing it. I'm on the train heading up back to the northeast. A couple of reasons for that, for today. One is that I have a meeting this afternoon about Dunston Hill Hospital, and I want to attend that because I have a number of things I want to say about that. Obviously not happy about the closure of the hospital unit. And this evening I'm going to a Kylie Minogue concert in Newcastle. Now, I could have been at a conference for Vince, or I could have been at the Kylie Minogue conference. So let's think. Vince or Kylie? Kylie ended up winning in the end. Sorry, Vince. Got in this afternoon on time. That's a first for LNER for me. Anyway, managed to get a bit of work done this afternoon, but I'm back into Gateshead Civic Centre now for the Health Scrutiny Committee meeting, where we're going to be looking at the proposed closure of what is left of Dunston Hill Hospital. Meeting now over, and I had quite a bit to say about the Dunston Hill proposals. Basically, there's a prospect that, strong prospect, that the NHS Trust has found a buyer for the Dunston Hill site. So basically, they want the service off the site, so it can be sold to house builders. And the whole process, is, in my view, has been driven by the needs of house builders rather than the needs of patients. And that's what the NHS is supposed to do. It's supposed to look after the needs of patients. So there were quite strong words had, and the officers from the trust, the NHS Trust, have been asked to come back with more details, because part of the problem, which is I pointed out, was that the Trust is consulting on proposals which are actually rather nebulous. I describe them as trying to nail a jelly to the wall, and trying to consult on them is just almost impossible, because basically there's nothing much there to consult on. There's proposals, vague proposals, that they could move services elsewhere, but without anything definitely being pinned down. So the officers from the Trust are going to come back to the Health Committee next month, where hopefully we're going to have a few more details. Anyway, meeting is now over, which means I can go to Newcastle to the Kylie Minogue concert.